Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a text to video project in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with the account. Once you are on the main screen, look for the video tab. Within it, you will see different options like idea, script, edit, record and empty. To create a text to video, you can choose either the idea or script. If you choose idea prompt, within it, type a short message describing your video idea, then tap next. Fliki will automatically generate a video story background with AI voiceover. It may take some time, so please make sure to wait. Or if you choose the script, tap it and have a full text ready. Within it, paste or write a script in the text box. After writing the script, tap on the next option. After entering your text and tapping on the next, you can just pick a video style or template from the empty template section. Please make sure to match the visual transaction and image to your text automatically. Once selected, tap on the next. Here you can choose different options. You can choose any or you can just skip them. After that, choose from male or female voice and adjust the speed or tone if you like. Once everything is set up, the Fliki may take some time to apply the templates and background music. Please make sure to wait for a few seconds or minutes. It may take time based on your internet stability. Once everything is set, tap generate video icon at the top. After the video is ready, you can preview it. If needed, you can just add it to the trim clips, adjust audio or change scenes. If you are satisfied, tap download at the top right corner. And you can just adjust the resolution or format if needed, or you can just keep it as it. Then tap on the start export. It may take some time based on your internet connection. It has successfully downloaded. Now you can just share it if you need it. And that's it. You have successfully created a text to video project in Fliki using your phone. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.